Creating a budget is an important part of managing your finances. Here are the steps you can follow to create a budget in detail. Calculate your income. The first step is to calculate your monthly income. This includes your salary, any side hustles, rental income, etc. Make sure you include all sources of income. Track your expenses. The next step is to track all of your expenses for a month. This includes everything from your rent/mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment, etc. Keep all of your receipts and bills so that you can accurately track your spending. Categorize your expenses. Once you have tracked your expenses, categorize them into groups like housing, transportation, food, entertainment, etc. Determine your fixed expenses. Fixed expenses are the expenses that remain the same each month, such as rent/mortgage payments, car payments, insurance, etc. List these expenses and their amounts. Determine your variable expenses. Variable expenses are the expenses that can vary each month, such as groceries, entertainment, dining out, etc. List these expenses and their amounts. Set financial goals. Determine your financial goals such as paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or investing in a retirement account. Allocate your income. Allocate your income to each category based on your financial goals and the expenses you listed. Make sure you prioritize your fixed expenses first. Adjust your spending. If your expenses exceed your income, you will need to adjust your spending. Look for areas where you can cut back on your variable expenses, such as entertainment or dining out. Review your budget regularly. Review your budget regularly to ensure you are staying on track with your financial goals and making progress towards them. Creating a budget takes time and effort, but it is an important step towards achieving financial stability and meeting your financial goals.